were somewhere around Barstow, on the edge of the desert, when the drugs began to take hold.
Good to see you. Take care.
70-mile-per-hour gusts that were just through this area
Several evacuation orders are in effect.
all night.
Well, I found out I got a small problem. I can't practice flying my drone at home because I live too close to the airport. It won't even let me take off because of the GPS location. I've been needing to make a video. Luckily, there's some recreational land that's not too far from where we live. It's right outside of Laughlin, Nevada, not far from the Arizona-Nevada border. But this area is known for having some of the highest wind speeds in the region, with gusts over 50 miles an hour regular. So I only have a few hours this morning to be able to fly a small drone like mine. What is it about the desert that attracts so many people to visit a place like this? It's just a lot of dirt and rocks and scraggly plants, really. I've lived my entire life on the east coast of the US, so this kind of environment is completely foreign to me. And compared to where I grew up in South Carolina, this place seems like a whole different planet. Y'all, I almost busted my ass right there, but thanks to my cat-like reflexes and slow motion, I look graceful as a deer. I looked around, and there was this small peak that was a darker color that I thought I could get to pretty quick and get a better view of this place. Not long after I started heading that way, I walked up on this small canyon that I couldn't see before because I was walking up an incline and it was hidden to me. I didn't have time to walk around it, and it was definitely too steep for me to climb down. Nowadays, I prefer wisdom over bravery. I'm too old for that crap. It looks like it leads up to the little peak I was trying to get to anyway, so this is close enough. Because the little canyon was so interesting, I ended up just spending the rest of my time that day flying the drone in and out of it just to get as many videos as possible. Man, this place ended up being such a great surprise because I really didn't think it was going to offer a lot to making a good video. If there's any of these little lesser known areas in the Nevada, Arizona, California border areas that you think would make a good video, let us know in the comments. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Give the video a like because it really does help support our channel. And we'll see you in the next one.